You're busy. I get it. But if you think fat loss requires hours in the gym and a complicated diet, think again. Let me show you how to make it simple. First, focus on protein. High protein meals keep you full, boost your metabolism, and help prevent cravings. Think eggs, chicken, Greek yogurt, or a quick protein shake. Second, plan ahead. When you're busy, meal prepping is a game changer. It saves you from making bad food choices when you're tired or in a rush. Third, strength training is key, but it doesn't have to take hours. Just 30 minutes, 3 times a week, keeps your metabolism high and helps you burn fat even at rest. And don't forget movement. Take the stairs, park farther, and get those extra steps in. Fourth, sleep is your fat loss secret weapon. Poor sleep leads to more cravings and stress eating, so aim for at least 6 to 7 hours a night. Finally, calories matter. Control portions and be mindful of what you eat. And don't forget to drink water. It helps curb hunger and keeps you feeling good. Fat loss isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Save this and start today. And tell me in the comments, which habit are you focusing on first?